Does your swimming pool need replastering or an updated renovation? Did you just purchase a home and are not happy with how it looks now? Some swimming pools could become outdated or just plain worn out. Your backyard will look cool because you called Arroyo Pools. Most swimming pools need minor changes, and some need dramatic overhauls with new products materials that are now available. Your renovated pool will look even better than when it was new. Anything is possible when a homeowner is paired for the creative designer craftsman like Arroyo Pool Builders. Here's how the renovation process works. First, the Arroyo Pool Builders consultant will schedule a time to meet with you at your home to look at your pool. We will listen to your ideas and advise you on the best types of materials and make recommendations that fit your family's outdoor living lifestyle. We will also take measurements of the existing pool and backyard. Next, our Arroyo Pool Builders will develop a project proposal and then meet with you on our design center to review it and see different options and pricing. Once you have agreed to the project, you will then select materials such as waterline tile, pool coping decking, and the interior finish of the pool. After that, the construction planning process for the project will then begin with getting a permit if required. We will also start locating underground utility lines if necessary and scheduling the project. This process usually takes about 4 weeks. In the meantime, if you are interested in financing, this is a perfect time to secure your financing. We offer financing. Check out our website below. Once all the necessary matters are checked off the list, the project will get started. The length of time for renovation projects vary from just a few weeks to several months, depending on the scope of work in the project. Our Arroyo Pool Builders will never substitute quality. In order to speed up the project process, the first step for most basic swimming pool renovation project is first the pool is drained. If the pool coping and/or waterline tile are going to be replaced, or if you're adding other features such as a spa addition, cool water features, and fire pits, this is usually the first step. The next step is the swimming pool interior is then prepared for resurfacing, and then it is resurfaced. We then fill the pool up and begin balancing the water chemistry. If the decking surrounding the pool is going to be resurfaced or replaced, it is typically done after the pool is full. After that, it is party time. If you're ready for your swimming pool renovation, our Arroyo Pool Builders is ready to help you transform your pool to look cool. Here are a couple before and after pictures. Remember, your backyard will look cool because you hired Arroyo Pools. Call now, 786-499-9930 today.